Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your PS5 controller. Now this is a fairly simple process. So first what you want to do is get your PS5 controller, and if you look at the back, as you can see here, there's a little hole here. And what you want to do is either get a pen or a pin, and you want to put it in this hole here, and you want to press the button, and you want to hold it for 5 seconds. This will reset PS5 controller and also turn it off. What will happen then is your PS5 will forget this controller and the controller will be reset. So what you'll need to do is get a USB cable and connect it to the PS5 to the PS5 controller. This USB cable should have come with your PS5. So now they're both plugged into each other. You want to turn back on the PS5 controller. Your PS5 will recognise that you've put in a controller, and then it'll quickly assign to your PS5. And that is how to reset your PS5 controller. If you want to know how to get to this Bluetooth accessories, then you want to come over to the settings in the main page, then you want to come down to accessories, general, and then Bluetooth accessories. This is where you'll find your Bluetooth accessories. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.